Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Lunc, whose current price stands at the $0.00031915 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 4.19%. And in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening here on the Lunc chart. Lunc, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, which was obeying this Elliot wave structure, having a wave 5 taking us back to around the $0.00059 mark. And after making that high in that Elliot wave structure, we can name that Elliot wave structure as a higher Elliot wave count 1. Then after making the high for that higher Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect on this other side is a formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, which we have seen over here, making a low at around the $0.0017 mark. And after making that low down there, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, and this was after Binance announced the tax bans that will be implemented on Lunc. After that announcement, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, and yesterday we made a high at around the $0.00037 mark, and at the moment we are seeing a bit of a retracement to the lower side over here. Basing my analysis on the Elliot waves, having seen the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 and also a higher Elliot wave count 2, and we have made our low down here in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on this other side is an impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. And because a wave 3 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that wave 3, and I believe that is what we are seeing here on the Lunc chart. And drawing out my Elliot wave structure, we can have these as a wave 1. Then we have seen the formation of wave 2 to the lower side down here. Then this impulsive movement to the upper side, this is what was forming wave 3 to the upper side. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1, which is a fractal wave within a wave 3. Then we can expect a higher Elliot wave count 2, count 3, count 4, and then a count 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 3. Getting into the details of the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 1 within a wave 3, after making our low down there, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, managed to break above key areas of resistances, and after making the high that we made yesterday at around the $0.00037 mark, we are seeing a bit of a retracement to the lower side over here. And in that movement, we have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.00033 mark, and in that movement we have also seen the formation of an engulfing candlestick right here, and we have also seen the formation of long wicks over here, meaning that there is a lot of indecision on this market, and there is a possibility that maybe in this movement we might get back to around the $0.00027 mark, which is another key area of support. And once we get into that key area of support down here, then maybe the buyers can take over the market once more and continue pushing higher. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, we can also get to see whether this third wave to the upper side has done the minimum that we expect a third wave to do in an Elliot wave structure. And I just need to use the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the wave 2. And using the 1-to-1 fib ratios, I expected that wave 3 to the upper side to push to around the $0.0004 mark, but you can see we did not manage to push to that key area on the Fibonacci's, but we are seeing a bit of a reaction on the fib level 0.786, which is the fib level, which is right here. That is the area that we made that high, and after seeing a reaction to that fib level, that is why we are seeing a bit of a pullback here on the charts. And because we cannot just move to the upper side in a straight move, it's possible that we might get to that key area of support at around the $0.00029 mark, find support, and then the buyers can take over the market once more, continue pushing higher, make our high for that third wave to the upper side at around the $0.0004 mark. And once we see that high, then we can continue seeing lower prices in the formation of a wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1 within a wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.